How do you make an office district livable? What should the homes be like? And what else is needed? Those were the questions we started with when we designed Winy Maas said. The 100-meter high building was designed as the symphony of life, according to MVRDV founding partner Winy Maas. A mountain-like angular skyscraper with jagged peaks named Valley, which was designed by Dutch studio MVRDV, has officially opened in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The 75,000 square meter development in Amsterdam Zuidas district was designed for resale developer is and contains 200 apartments along with offices and restaurants. Valley is a first step towards transforming this part of Amsterdam into a greener, denser, and more human city. The high-rise is composed of 3 connected towers of different heights that rise from a podium structure. Each of the towers has a largely glazed facade and a contrasting facade containing a multitude of terraces and balconies that overlap one another. Custom digital tools were used to make sure each apartment had enough light while creating a seemingly random pattern from the balconies, which were clad in 40,000 stone tiles. Garden designer Pete Audolph worked with MVRDV on the building, which has 370 planting areas spread out over 27 floors and used around 13,500 plants. Audolph also designed a publicly accessible park for Valley. This exceptional building is a great example to showcase what is possible in terms of high quality and sustainable housing in the Netherlands. The largely residential tower is located in the Zuidas district, where the majority of buildings are offices. This part of Amsterdam is currently transitioning from being a solely business district to a more dynamic part of the city, bringing residential homes and various facilities, said Reiner van Danzig, alderman for housing and development for the municipality of Amsterdam. This exceptional building is a great example to showcase what is possible in terms of high quality and sustainable housing in the Netherlands, he added. And I am delighted to see it as a beautiful addition to the skyline of Amsterdam. The 75,000 square meter building, which was recently declared the world's best new skyscraper by the Emporium Award, stands out in the Amsterdam Zuidas neighborhood, with its 3 towers of 67, 81 and 100 meters and its spectacular cantilevered apartments. The building distinguishes itself in several ways. Firstly, it combines offices, shops, catering, cultural facilities and apartments in one building. Secondly, unlike the closed-off buildings elsewhere in the Zuidas, the green valley that winds between the towers on the 4th and 5th floor is accessible to everyone via 2 external stone staircases. The building's extensive planting, designed by landscape architect Pete Audolph, hosts approximately 13,500 young plants, shrubs and trees. As they mature over the coming years, they will give Valley an increasingly green appearance, making the building a manifesto for a greener city. Valley is an attempt to bring a green and human dimension back to the inhospitable office environment of Amsterdam, Zuidas. It is a building with multiple faces. On the outer edge of the building is a cell of smooth mirrored glass which fits the context of the business district. Inside this cell, the building has a completely different, more inviting natural appearance, as if the glass block was crumbled away to reveal craggy rock faces inside, replayed with its natural stone and greenery. Various locations throughout the three-tower complex offer breathtaking views of the city. The apartments, of course, but especially the sky bar at the top of the tallest tower, which visitors can access by the Molteni flagship store on the ground floor. The building's layout is tailored to a mixture of residents, workers, and visitors on the top of the three-story underground car park offices that occupy the lower 7th floor, with apartments located on the 8th floor and up. Much of the building is open to the public, from the publicly accessible footpath that zigzags up to the central valley from the street level, to the grotto and atrium that forms a covered street on the first floor, where the Sapiens Lab, a breeding ground for young scientists, will soon open. The grotto is connected to the outside by two large skylights that double as shallow water pools in the valley level above, and its natural stone flooring, walls, and ceilings, the same stone used on the surfaces of the valley and towers, makes clear that all the public areas of the buildings are part of the same apparently geological formation. The design and construction of valley is utterly bespoke, requiring the sustained commitment of hundreds of designers, engineers, builders, consultants, and of course the client. The enormously complex shape required a special commitment to fine detailing that further enhances the design concept. MVRDV's technology experts created a series of custom digital tools to perfect the building, from a tool that ensured every apartment had adequate light and views, to a program that made possibly the apparently random pattern of over 40,000 stone tiles of varying size that adorn the building facades. Each of the 192 apartments has a unique floor plan made possible by the interior design Lakers architect. Valley combines insights in the field of sustainability, technology, and health. The building's energy performance is 30% better than local regulation require. It has received BREEAM and Excellent certification for the commercial space, and the residential area scored an 8 out of 10 on the GPR building scale, a Dutch measurement tool that scores buildings across 5 themes of energy, environment, health, quality of use, and future value. The latest smart technologies are integrated in the office spaces, including IP-based building automation system and various sensors linked to monitoring actual uses. Valley is the first building in the Zuidas where walking, living, and entertainment are mixed. Thanks for watching this video till the end.